Stomach anatomy and the second brain. Welcome to this in-depth look at the human stomach, one of the most important organs in your digestive system. Today, we'll explore how the stomach works, what makes it unique, and why scientists call it the body's second brain. This video is designed for viewers in the USA and Canada who want clear, science-based health education. The stomach is a muscular, J-shaped organ located in the upper left part of your abdomen, just below the rib cage. Its primary job is to receive food from the esophagus, store it, break it down with powerful acids and enzymes, and then slowly release it into the small intestine for further digestion and nutrient absorption. When you eat, food travels down the esophagus through a process called peristalsis, rhythmic, muscle contractions that push food into the stomach. The lower esophageal sphincter, a ring-shaped muscle, opens to let food in and closes to prevent stomach acid from flowing back up. Inside the stomach, food is mixed with gastric juices, containing hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes like pepsin. This acidic environment not only helps break down proteins, but also kills most harmful bacteria that might be present in your food. The stomach lining is coated with mucus to protect it from being digested by its own acid. One of the most fascinating facts about the stomach is its connection to the nervous system. The stomach contains hundreds of millions of nerve cells, more than the spinal cord. This complex network, known as the enteric nervous system, allows the stomach to operate independently of the brain in your head. That's why the stomach is often called the second brain. It can control digestive processes, respond to stress, and even communicate with your central nervous system through the vagus nerve. The stomach also produces important hormones, such as ghrelin, which signals hunger to your brain, and gastrin, which stimulates the production of gastric acid. These hormones help regulate appetite, metabolism, and the overall digestive process. On average, the stomach can hold about 1 to 1.5 liters of food and liquid, but it can expand to fit more during larger meals. After mixing and breaking down food, the stomach releases small amounts of partially digested food, called chyme, into the small intestine for further digestion and absorption. Some interesting facts. The stomach lining renews itself every few days to prevent damage from acid. Your stomach's acid is strong enough to dissolve metal, yet it doesn't harm your own tissues thanks to the protective mucus layer. The sounds your stomach makes when you're hungry, called borborygmi, are caused by muscles contracting and moving air and fluids inside. A healthy stomach is essential for overall well-being, as it not only digests food but also plays a key role in immune function and even mental health. Thanks to its connection with the brain, understanding how your stomach works and how closely it's linked to your brain can help you make better choices for your digestive and overall health. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more 3D medical animations and health education. For viewers in the USA and Canada, stay tuned for more science-backed content designed just for you.